Hello there everybody, and welcome to the Perplexing Planets video, a fun and interactive aid to help fuel class discussions for Lesson 4 about the Earth's solar system. Keep your eyes and ears open for those main points. Okay, mini scientists, to start us off, what is this? That's right, it's our planet Earth, home to over 7 billion people and the third planet from the Sun. Including Earth, the 8 planets that orbit the Sun include Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Together these planets make up our solar system. Okay, at this point you're very possibly saying, duh, we already know this stuff. But did you know that mankind didn't always understand or believe this model? No? Okay, I'll explain. Back in the early 1600s, there was an Italian scientist named Galileo Galilei. During his time, almost everyone believed that the Earth was at the centre of the universe, with the Sun, the Moon, and all the other planets and stars orbiting the Earth. It would have looked a little something like this. A bit unrecognisable? Yes. However, Galileo thought differently. He claimed that the Sun was the centre of the universe, and that the Earth was one of several planets that orbited the Sun. Galileo was not the first, however, to come up with this idea. Indeed, over 300 years prior, there was a man named Nicholas Copernicus, who was a mathematician, astronomer, and monk. He, like Galileo, created a mathematical model where the planets rotated around the Sun, also known as a heliocentric model. Now that's a good word to add to your word wall. Sadly, though, his research was not recognised. In 1609, Galileo built a telescope powerful enough to see the 4 largest moons of Jupiter. He observed these 4 moons for many months and found that they appeared to orbit Jupiter when everything in space was thought to orbit the Earth. Galileo then made more and more powerful telescopes that helped him observe objects in greater detail. Every observation he made supported his claim that the planets orbited the Sun rather than the Earth. Galileo then published his ideas, but they upset many people. They complained to the authorities, and Galileo was then put under house arrest. This meant he could not leave his home or receive visitors for the remainder of his life. Over time, though, scientists created better telescopes to observe the movement of planets and their moons. People slowly began to accept the sun-centered model, just as we accept it today. If only Galileo was still alive today to see his ideas widely accepted. Okay, now it's your turn. We want you to have a go and brainstorm as a class and think of the key points. Don't forget to hit my pause button in the left-hand corner. Have you finished? Okay, now try and define the term solar system. Hit my pause button again. Look, I'm sure you've guessed it. Scientists define the solar system as being all space objects in orbit around the Sun. Now, once you have finished writing your definition in your science journals, please focus your attention back on your teacher for the remainder of the lesson. And thank you very much for watching.